Hey guys, William here. We're going to be doing a video on keyword research. Going to make this quick. Keyword research. So hey guys, my name is William. We're going to be doing a video on keyword research. You know, I don't use a whole lot of tools outside of what Google gives me. Google Search, Google Insights, Google Analytics, Google, all types of things I can use that Google gives me. There's 40 something different tools and I have a whole list of them. But when I do come across a tool that excites me and I'm impressed with it, I want to show you guys this. Yes, I am an affiliate of this, but yes, I also was impressed with it. Therefore, I want to show everybody this tool. It is called Zagia. It's by Herc Magnus. Okay, I want to show you all this from the get-go. Let's say my competition is, I don't know, we're going after Google My Business SEO. Once I've installed it and everything, and I set everything up, I've done my migration. It's step by step. Herc has literally an easy WordPress setup migration. It's very easy to do so. Once I've set it up, I then go into my project manager. One really cool tool, and this is what we did. You can actually audit your competition right from the dashboard right here, right? And we're going to go ahead and show you what we've done, but we load in our competition, if you will. We do an audit. Once we do an audit, right, in this case, you know, it was Bruce Jones SEO. So it pulled in every one of his pages, every one of the keywords is ranking for everything. We're going to reverse engineer his website. Okay, we're going to model what's already working and beat them. And this is what we're going to do. So for example, I just want to show you these few things. There's a couple of things. If you're not already using them, you need to be using them. They are all in title, phrase, and all in URL. They are all in title, all in URL, and phrase. What do I mean by that? So a lot of people will come out, especially SEOs, if you're not aware of this, they'll say, well, I'm the number one SEO in this area, or I've got this ranked, or whatever. And a lot of time it's honestly utter bullshit. Okay? The fact is, if they're easy to rank for, of course, you got them ranked in a week. Of course, you got them ranked in a few hours, whatever. It's no big deal. Just be honest about it. But here's what we're going to use this tool for. So for example, we can go to this guy and we want to outrank him. And I can literally choose all the keywords I want, you know, over here that are in this group. Group being this is the page that we're referring to. This page, okay, this page, whatever, every single one of them. And then we can go, all right, the cost per click. We want to look at, we can even dive down and say I only want certain ones that are at a certain level of cost per click, especially from rank and rent. So when we run, let's say we're going to choose a couple of these and we're going to run with these. I'm just giving you an example. Hit the little wheel up here where you get keyword competition, and it's going to run the keyword competition. Now it comes back with the keyword competition. It's telling us, oh, baby, this one's gold right here. It's gold. So what it's telling you is this one right here and this one right here, we should make pages based on it. So right from our dashboard, we can literally click the spoke wheel here and go create a new page from the group. It's going to literally create a page based off of this H1, right? Just this H1. And then what you're going to need to do, obviously, is go create content based off of these keywords that you're wanting to rank for. But the key is, it's already told you that these are the pages that are easy to get ranked for. and he's ranking for them. So we know they're easy to get ranked for, and now we just have to, if you will, model or clone or duplicate what he's already doing. Whether that be how much content does he have, internal linking, how many links does he have going on. There's another little tool I love to show you guys. If we go in all in title, for example, we'll go into these. So this one is phrase match. How many are using this phrase, SEO expert in Chicago? Right here. You see it? So this is in the, if you will, the description. And then all in title. So in the title right here, SEO expert in Chicago. How many are using it? 34. In the actual URL, only 4. So I know it's not, if you will, that competitive. Then I can also turn on my Moz, or M-O-Z, Moz, and I can look at and see, okay, and how many backlinks does each of these pages have and everything. Then once I know, hey, this page only has 1 or 2 backlinks going to it, I know very easily I can outrank them. So I then go create my content, put my content, my page, create my page, do my internal linking with Link Whisper, and then send some, maybe a couple of powerful backlinks to it. And now I'm not only, you know, picking up traffic that's easy for the pickings, but I'm also ranking on page 1 for it. Okay, so Zagio is going to be the tool I want you guys to go out and take a look at. If you don't have it, make sure to click the link in my description and get it. This thing will make reverse engineering your competition easy, 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 easy. I can create new groups from here. I can create all types of stuff, import keywords if I want specific keywords. It will tell me how easy or hard they are. Are they in the keyword golden ratio? Everything, okay? What's the value of them? All of the important information. I'm specifically wanting to get these terms that are like on page 1, like these right here, that he's ranking number 1, 2, stuff like that. Let's go down here and let's see if we can get the competition. So we got that, and we just now go in and create the damn pages for them, create the content. I literally give the info, if you will, give the titles that I want, give the keywords that I want to cover to my content writer, and now they turn around and they create the content for me. And now that I've got the content created, I place the content, and then I send a couple of really strong backlinks to those pages, and bada boom, bada bang, I'm already outranking my competition, and they don't know what it was. And the whole time, it was Zagio. It's a wonderful tool. If you don't have it, make sure to go and get it. If you have any questions regarding keyword research or Zagio, make sure to drop it below, and I will get to them as soon as possible. You guys have a great day and a great evening, and be blessed.
I have so many SEOs that hate me and say that I'm stealing their methods. They bitching and cry, labeling me SEO Black Hat. Was a nobody, now I'm at the top. Most wanted, most loved, bad business owners, and hated by most SEO opponents. You think